Hello everybody. I've been working on this the last few days. I had to go get a Permalock needle so that I could finish it. This is the Dasher handbag kit from Tandy Leather. It does not come with the Permalock needle. That is the one thing you need unless you're going to go ahead and carve the design that's given. Then you'll need those tools. You will need to get your dies if you want to dye it or whatever you want to do. I had some metal stamping set. I use that because I don't have any stamps or tools like that for carving, and so I just put my initials in there and I color it. And if you dye it, I don't suggest dyeing on both sides because it will make it very stiff. As you can see, it was very stiff. And make sure that you don't get the jumbo needle. It works, but it helps you to get through those holes, but it's difficult once you get to the end. So it just became more difficult when as the lace got shorter to use a jumbo Permalock needle. But definitely I use eco-flo and had fun. I really just had fun with this project. Thank you for being here and watching my video. I hope to see you more. Please like, share, follow, comment. Let me know what you think. Bye.